Hello, welcome up guys, I am Mariovit, and in this tutorial I want to show you how to set your amount subscribers private on YouTube. I will show you how to do it, so you may leave like, subscribe, share to others, write a comment, and let's go. So what you need to do is click on your avatar and now on the settings. Here, settings, and now you click on the privacy here. And here you have option like keep all my saved playlists private and keep all my subscription private. So if you want private, you will click this and you did it. Your change will save it. After some time will be updated private subscription. Okay, and that's all in this tutorial. It was very fast. So you may leave like, subscribe for help, share video with your friends in needed, and see you next time. Bye.